Have you ever stared at the night sky and felt a sense of amazement, as if the cosmos were whispering its secrets? The twinkling stars, the glowing moon, and the vast expanse of the universe have fascinated humanity for centuries. In 2025, two of the most spectacular celestial events of our time will take place: a blood moon eclipse and a total solar eclipse. These rare and powerful occurrences hold significance not only in science, but also in mythology, culture, and history. A blood moon eclipse turns the moon a deep, eerie red, casting an otherworldly glow across the night sky. This phenomenon has inspired countless myths and legends throughout history. On the other hand, a solar eclipse is one of the most surreal experiences. When daylight suddenly fades, shadows become sharper, and the sky transforms into an ethereal twilight as the moon aligns perfectly with the sun. It feels as though the universe itself is performing a breathtaking illusion, leaving all who witness it in awe. But what makes these eclipses so special? Why does the moon turn red, and how does the sun momentarily disappear? Are these cosmic displays merely celestial mechanics, or do they carry a deeper meaning? Most importantly, how can you experience these extraordinary events in the best possible way? Whether you're an experienced stargazer or simply someone who marvels at the beauty of the night sky, this is your chance to witness history. However, timing, location, and preparation are crucial, as these rare events may not happen again for years or even decades. Where should you be? What equipment do you need? What should you expect as the sky changes before your eyes? Let's explore the mysteries of these celestial wonders, uncover their historical significance, and most importantly, prepare for an unforgettable experience. The universe is putting on a show. Are you ready to watch? Imagine stepping outside on the night of March 14, 2025. The moonlight bathes the landscape, the air is calm, and the stars twinkle above. Yet something feels different. The usual bright full moon is no longer there. Instead, a deep red, glowing orb hangs in the sky, creating a mesmerizing yet eerie sight. It looks almost otherworldly, as if the moon itself is burning. This is a blood moon eclipse, one of the most breathtaking and mysterious celestial events known to humanity. For millennia, the blood moon has been a source of wonder, fear, and superstition. Ancient civilizations saw it as a message from the gods, a warning of great change, or even a cosmic battle unfolding in the heavens. Even today, this strange transformation continues to captivate and intrigue. But what exactly happens during a blood moon eclipse? Why does the moon turn red instead of disappearing into darkness? What makes this event so rare and extraordinary? A blood moon occurs during a total lunar eclipse when the Earth moves directly between the Sun and the Moon, blocking sunlight from reaching the lunar surface. Many ancient cultures feared that the moon was being swallowed by the Earth's shadow. However, something remarkable occurs. The moon does not vanish, but instead glows an eerie red. This happens because Earth's atmosphere scatters sunlight, filtering out blue and violet light, while allowing the longer red and orange wavelengths to bend around the planet and illuminate the moon. This effect, known as Rayleigh scattering, is the same process that makes the sky appear blue during the day and causes stunning red and orange hues at sunrise and sunset. In a way, a blood moon reflects all the world's sunrises and sunsets at once. Imagine standing on the moon during a total lunar eclipse. If you looked back at Earth, you would see a dark sphere surrounded by a glowing red ring. That ring is the light from every sunrise and sunset happening at that moment. It's a breathtaking cosmic display created by the interplay of light, shadow, and atmosphere. Throughout history, different cultures have interpreted the blood moon in various ways. The Incas believed that a jaguar was attacking the moon, staining it red with its blood. In ancient China, people feared that a celestial dragon was devouring the moon and would beat drums to scare it away. For For Native American tribes, the blood moon symbolized transformation and change, while in medieval Europe, it was often seen as an omen of war and disaster. Even today, some associate it with spiritual shifts, astrological predictions, and cosmic energy movements. Whether you see it as a scientific marvel or a mystical phenomenon, the blood moon remains a rare and spectacular sight that has fascinated humanity for ages. Unlike a solar eclipse, a lunar eclipse is completely safe to observe with the naked eye. Whether you watch it from your backyard, a peaceful mountaintop, or through a telescope, a blood moon is a sight to behold. For photographers and stargazers alike, this is a perfect opportunity to capture a celestial wonder in all its glory. The sight of a crimson moon against the backdrop of endless space is nothing short of breathtaking. So mark your calendars, set your alarms, and get ready to witness one of the most stunning astronomical events of 2025. The universe is putting on a show. Will you be there to see it? Just when you think 2025 has already delivered the most incredible celestial events, the cosmos unveils yet another masterpiece. On March 29, 2025, a total solar eclipse will take place, one of the rarest, most mysterious, and awe-inspiring natural spectacles known to humankind. For thousands of years, people have been captivated by this extraordinary event. Imagine standing outside in the bright midday sun when suddenly the world begins to dim. The light fades in a way that is unlike any sunset. A strange, eerie stillness falls over the land. The temperature drops and the air feels different. Birds stop singing, confused by the sudden darkness. Animals grow restless. Shadows sharpen and take on an eerie clarity. Then, within moments, the sun vanishes, leaving behind a dark void surrounded by a radiant, ghostly halo. This is a total solar eclipse, an experience so surreal that those who witness it never forget it. A solar eclipse happens when the moon moves directly between the Earth and the sun, casting a shadow on our planet. While partial solar eclipses are more common, a total solar eclipse is an incredibly rare event. For a brief moment, the moon aligns so perfectly with the sun that it completely blocks its light, plunging certain locations into a mysterious daytime darkness. The transition is astonishing. In a matter of seconds, daylight is replaced by a surreal twilight, creating one of the most striking sights in the natural world. Many people travel across the globe just to experience this fleeting yet unforgettable moment. As the sun's bright disk disappears, something incredible happens. Baily's beads, a dazzling display of sunlight streaming through the rugged lunar terrain, appear just before totality. Then, a final burst of light forms the famous diamond ring effect, one of the most iconic and breathtaking moments of an eclipse. What follows is the most extraordinary sight of all, the sun's corona, a glowing halo of plasma that extends millions of kilometers into space. Normally hidden by the sun's overwhelming brightness, the corona becomes visible only during a total solar eclipse. This shimmering white ring reveals the sun's powerful magnetic field and the violent solar winds that shape our cosmic environment. For scientists, a total eclipse provides a rare chance to study the sun's outer atmosphere, which can impact satellite communications and electrical grids. But for those watching from the ground, it is a humbling reminder of the universe's immense beauty and power, an experience that leaves even the most seasoned astronomers in awe. Throughout history, solar eclipses have captivated humanity, evoking feelings of awe, curiosity, and even fear. Ancient civilizations often interpreted these celestial events as powerful omens or divine messages. Some cultures imagined a great cosmic serpent devouring the sun, while others saw them as moments of transformation in the heavens. Even today, with our advanced scientific understanding, eclipses continue to hold a sense of mystery and wonder. The rare alignment of the moon, Earth, and sun serves as a reminder of the intricate cosmic choreography governing our universe. Despite our technological advancements, witnessing the sky darken in the middle of the day remains an unforgettable experience that fills us with both reverence and humility. Unlike lunar eclipses, which can be viewed safely with the naked eye, solar eclipses require special precautions to prevent serious eye damage. Protective eclipse glasses or solar filters are essential throughout most of the event, except during the brief phase of totality when the sun is completely obscured. Missing a total eclipse means waiting years or even decades for another chance. Only a narrow strip of land on Earth experiences totality, while those outside this path witness only a partial eclipse, a glimpse of what could have been. This rarity fuels the passion of eclipse chasers, dedicated individuals who travel the world to witness total solar eclipses, sometimes planning their journeys years in advance. If you want to witness this breathtaking phenomenon, preparation is key. Mark your calendar, choose a prime viewing location, and equip yourself with the necessary protective gear. Imagine the moment when daylight fades, stars become visible in the middle of the day, and the sun's ghostly corona encircles the darkened moon in a celestial ring of fire. Will you be among those who experience this awe-inspiring event firsthand? Observing a solar eclipse is a remarkable experience, but it comes with risks if not approached with caution. Unlike lunar eclipses, where the moon gradually turns a copper-red hue without any danger to the eyes, solar eclipses require strict safety measures. Even when partially covered by the moon, the sun's intense radiation can cause irreversible eye damage or even blindness. Regular sunglasses, no matter how dark, provide no protection. Only specialized solar eclipse glasses that meet international safety standards can shield your eyes from harm. An alternative and completely safe method to view a solar eclipse is using a pinhole projector. By allowing sunlight to pass through a small hole onto a surface, this simple device lets you observe the event indirectly. However, telescopes, binoculars and cameras without proper solar filters amplify the sun's rays, posing a severe risk of burning the retina. If you plan to photograph or record the eclipse, ensure your equipment is fitted with appropriate solar filters to protect both your eyesight and your camera's sensors. Total solar eclipses, where the moon completely obscures the sun, are confined to specific geographic locations, making them exceedingly rare and valuable. Outside this narrow path, only a partial eclipse is visible, offering an incomplete but still fascinating view. Timing is everything, as totality lasts only a few minutes. Missing it means waiting years or even decades for another opportunity to witness this celestial wonder. For those eager to experience this astronomical event, thorough planning is essential. Research when and where the eclipse will be visible in your region, secure appropriate eye protection, and prepare to witness the mesmerizing alignment of the sun, moon, and earth. The moment when the sky darkens in the middle of the day, the temperature drops, and the sun's corona radiates against the blackened sky is truly unforgettable. Whether viewed through the lens of science, mythology, or personal belief, eclipses remain profound reminders of our connection to the vast universe. Eclipses have fascinated and perplexed civilizations for millennia, sparking legends, myths, and deep-rooted superstitions. From the eerie red glow of a blood moon to the unsettling midday darkness of a solar eclipse, different cultures have assigned various meanings to these celestial events. While modern science has unraveled the mechanics behind eclipses, their historical and cultural significance remains compelling. In ancient times, a lunar eclipse was often seen as the divine intervention or a harbinger of transformation. Some cultures believed a blood moon signified renewal and change, while others feared it as an omen of disaster, war, or celestial wrath. The Incas, believing a cosmic jaguar was attacking the moon, would shout, drum and make loud noises to scare it away. Similarly, in ancient China, people banged gongs and shot arrows into the sky to fend off a mythical creature believed to be devouring the moon. Mesopotamians, fearing a lunar eclipse, predicted the death of their king, would appoint a substitute ruler to deceive fate during these ominous events. Solar eclipses, being even rarer and more dramatic, were met with deeper superstitions and fears. The sudden disappearance of the sun in broad daylight left ancient civilizations bewildered and terrified. Norse mythology told of Skuld and Hati, two cosmic wolves chasing the sun and moon, occasionally catching one and causing an eclipse. In Hindu mythology, the demon Rahu, after stealing the elixir of immortality, was beheaded by the gods. His severed head, living on, was believed to swallow the sun or moon, causing eclipses before the celestial body reappeared. In various cultures, people refrained from eating, sleeping, or going outside during an eclipse, fearing bad luck or harmful cosmic energies. Even today, eclipses hold cultural and spiritual significance. Some traditions advise pregnant women to stay indoors to protect their unborn children, while others see eclipses as times of purification and transformation, encouraging fasting, prayer, and rituals. Despite ancient fears and superstitions, modern astronomy has proven eclipses to be not only safe, but also invaluable for scientific discovery and deeper cosmic understanding. Eclipses offer more than just a visual spectacle. They provide crucial insights into the workings of the universe. The 1919 total solar eclipse played a pivotal role in confirming Einstein's theory of general relativity by demonstrating how gravity bends light. Scientists have long used solar eclipses to study the sun's corona, magnetic fields, and solar wind, gaining valuable data about space weather and its effects on Earth. Even today, astronomers eagerly anticipate total eclipses to conduct unique experiments that are impossible under normal circumstances. Thanks to the Saros cycle, a pattern of eclipses repeating every 18 years, scientists can predict these celestial events centuries in advance, a feat that once seemed impossible to ancient civilizations. Despite our scientific advancements, witnessing an eclipse remains a profoundly moving experience. Whether viewed through the lens of scientific inquiry, mythology, or personal reflection, these events remind us of the grand cosmic interplay that governs our existence. The upcoming 2025 blood moon eclipse and total solar eclipse are must-see events for skywatchers, astronomers, and nature enthusiasts alike. Standing beneath a darkened sky at midday or watching the moon take on a deep copper hue is a humbling experience. These fleeting moments remind us of the immense forces at play beyond our everyday lives. Throughout history, eclipses have shaped human beliefs, influenced scientific discoveries, and marked pivotal historical moments. Now, we have the opportunity to witness two of the most extraordinary celestial events of our time. How can you ensure you don't miss this once-in-a-lifetime experience? Mark your calendar, set reminders, and prepare in advance. These events are rare, and missing them could mean waiting years for another chance. If you're in the path of totality, the solar eclipse, consider traveling to the best viewing location to witness the full spectacle. Enthusiasts often travel hundreds of miles for just a few minutes of totality, a testament to the event's breathtaking impact. For the blood moon eclipse, seek out a location with minimal light pollution, such as a mountain, an open field, or a secluded beach, to fully appreciate the night sky's natural beauty. Most importantly, share the experience with friends and family. Watching an eclipse together creates lasting memories and deepens our appreciation for the universe's wonders. Will you be among those witnessing these awe-inspiring astronomical events? Have you seen an eclipse before? Share your thoughts and prepare for one of the most remarkable cosmic displays of our lifetime. The universe is putting on a show. Will you be watching?